Hi, everyone. Hope you're doing well. I miss seeing all of you and finding out how you're doing. So, this week's lesson is going to help me do a little check in with you just to see how things are going with your practicing. You are going to be filling out a Google form this week as a check in. So, when you go to the folder, you're going to see week 3 Google Forms and Docs. And I'd like you to go there and click on Google Forms Practice Check in first. So when you open that folder, you're going to see 3 things: checklist, my checklist, and a couple of how are you doings. Let's go to my checklist first. And when you get there, you're going to see just a little assignment to help me figure out how you're doing with your practicing. I know these are very strange times. Our schedules are not what they normally are. It can be very hard sometimes to be motivated to do things we need to do, like practice. And I thought giving this week would maybe help you be a little bit accountable for your practicing. And it also gives me a chance to see how you're doing so I can better be prepared for your lesson next week. So when you're in here, you're going to see some simple questions like how many times you practiced this week. Again, be honest. If it isn't as much as normal or you haven't gotten to it, just let me know. Again, I know that everything is a little bit different than normal right now. How long you've practiced, if there's something specific in your music that you have focused on, you can let me know that. If there's something you really are enjoying, I'd love to know that too. And just overall how you're feeling. This will give me a really good sense of that. So then you can click submit. And once you do that, you can go back to the Google Forms and Docs folder. You'll see the 2 how are you doings. I made 2 of them thinking maybe we do the beginning of the week and the end of the week. They are both the same. They just have different colors. So I'll just use this one as the example. The question is asking you how you're keeping busy during quarantine. But again, you can add other things here. You can let me know what you're doing, but you can also let me know if you have a question or concern about something else, maybe something musically. This will just be a good way for me to see, how you're feeling. And so when you submit that, I will see that. If you have questions about how to use the Google Forms, because perhaps you haven't done that yet, you can go to the Google Suite Support Materials folder and you can click on that and you will find an entire page of commonly asked questions and just overall how to use the Google Forms. So this will help you out if this is new to you and you're not sure exactly what to do. So again, just this is all about just connecting with each other because we can't be face-to-face. So I just really want to know how you're doing. I miss seeing all of you, and hopefully we will be able to be together again soon.